A slug's body is around 80 to 90% water. As a result, it is susceptible to desiccation, extreme dryness, which is worsened by the fact that slugs have little or no shells. They keep themselves alive by generating layers of protective mucus, but this is often not enough to ensure survival. Mucus is essential in a slug's life. Two types of mucus can be found on the feet of the slug. One type is thin, watery, and found from the center of the foot to the edges. The other is thick and sticky and spreads from the front of the foot to its back. Some would add that even if quite slippery, slugs are extremely slow. Their top speed is 0.18 miles per hour or 3 kilometers per hour. A slug would need a little over 6 days, or 145 hours, to walk. Arguably, the most interesting body parts of a slug are its tentacles. Every slug features 4 of them, and all are retractable, which is why most of the time, you see only 2. The tentacles are split into pairs. 2 are designed for seeing and smelling, and 2 for tasting and touching. Most slugs enjoy fruits, plants, and the like. Some would rather go on a hunt and have acquired a taste for other living organisms. The ghost slug, for instance, is known to enjoy a daily meal of worms. Land slugs usually follow the mucus trail left by another slug when hunting other slugs. The mucus trail determines whether their prey is of the same species. Slugs have a similar strategy that they rely on when trying to escape a predator. The land slug, known as the tail dropper slug, can amputate its tail and then flee to safety. On the other hand, some sea slugs are fitted with body parts that can snap off in dire situations. Slugs are hermaphrodite animals. This means that they are equipped with both female and male reproductive organs. As a result, slugs can fertilize their eggs. Even so, some species of slugs now face extinction. This is even more worrying, considering that a slug can lay up to 500 eggs every single year, and that eggs can survive for several years before hatching. The slug's body, also known as the foot, is not just a succulent piece of meat targeted by predators. It is a slug's main method of transportation. It is a huge muscle featuring more muscles on the underside. Each of the latter contracts when needed, forming a wave that helps the slug move forward as the wave goes from the back to the front. Slugs are mollusks, as mentioned earlier. Mollusks are invertebrate animals. They don't have a backbone or vertebral column. Slugs, however, don't have any bones either. After all, having them would be painful for the slug.